I used to be overwhelmed until I discovered mindfulness meditation. It's not about silence, it's about presence. Mindfulness means noticing this moment without judgment, without control. Whether you're walking, sipping tea, or simply breathing, you can be fully here. And the science? It's powerful. Mindfulness strengthens memory, improves focus, and reshapes the brain. It calms the amygdala, your fear center, helping you let go of stress. With practice, you sleep better, think clearer, and feel more alive. It builds emotional intelligence, empathy, and the strength to face your world with grace. Start small, just 5 minutes. Focus on your breath. Let it guide you home. Because mindfulness isn't something you learn. It's something you return to. Your mind will wander. That's okay. Just come back to this breath and begin again.